Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the formatting options for different types of elements in Google Drawings. So in this Google Drawing, I have basically three types of elements. I've got a text box, a chart, and word art. If I just click on one of these, right, let's say I click on the text box and I go to Format, I scroll down to Format Options, a window will open on the right-hand side of the screen with several different options. I can format the size and position of this object, rescale it, resize it, lock aspect ratio, which means it will maintain the same proportions, rotate it, flip it. If I rotate it, notice it rotates. I can control the position of the object, center it. Do I want to specify exactly where in terms of X, Y coordinates this object will be? How do I want text to fit inside this object? It is a text box. Just a bunch of different options. Drop shadow. Let's say I want to drop shadow on this. And now it looks like the element itself is sort of three-dimensionally popping off the page a little bit. I can add a reflection to it. Maybe I don't want it to be that big. Give that a nice little look. Fade it just a little bit. So you can do this for pretty much any element in Google Drawings, and you can really add some nice effects that will really make your Google Drawings stand out and really captivate your audience's attention.